Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Usher, usher, usher. Let's go. In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI. We're down on the low key. She know how it feels. I saw shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Watch out! She saying, "Come get me." So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, "Baby, let's go." When I told her, I said,
thiệt anh
bài việc màu từ mới